To replace a foot on the Rest Easy bifold sofa, first remove the loose pillows and any other unsecured items from the sofa. Next, carefully lift or tilt the sofa to safely access the underside of the feet. Remove the 2 screws securing the foot to the sofa, and then remove the foot. To install the new foot, position it in the same location and orientation as the original. Then secure the foot to the sofa using the 2 screws previously removed. Once the foot is installed, gently lower the sofa back onto the feet. Finally, reposition any cushions, pillows, or other items that were removed during this procedure.